Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to snipe and trade Solana meme coins using AI. So the AI that I'm going to use in this video is called Autosnipe AI. So in case you want to use this platform, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on the trading fees on this platform. Now, Autosnipe AI is a trading tool for cryptocurrencies, especially for the meme coins and the tokens on Solana blockchain. It helps users to quickly buy and sell the tokens automatically with the help of AI. This particular trading bot is loaded with a lot of features like scam detection. You can even set the limit orders for your profit and loss, and it also has the AI optimization for your priority fees, which we will discuss later in this video. So this particular platform is designed to make your crypto trading faster and safer. So if you want an AI to make your trades very easy, you can go ahead and use Autosnipe AI. So you can use the link that is given in the description and it will redirect you on this page, where the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your wallet with it. Now, in order to connect your wallet, you need to click on connect and snipe, and now your phantom wallet extension will look something like this, where if you have enabled the password, you just have to simply provide the password and click on the unlock option. Now you need to click on the confirm option and wait for some time until your phantom wallet connects with Autosnipe AI. Now in the second step, you just have to deposit some Solana into your Autosnipe AI wallet, and in order to do it, you just have to simply click on this wallets option, and this is basically your deposit address. So you need to copy this address from here. Now you need to hover over to your phantom wallet extension, and here you need to make sure that you have some Solana in your phantom wallet. Afterwards, you need to click on the send option and select Solana. Now here, paste the address that you have just copied from Autosnipe AI. Here you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to deposit, and then you need to press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to confirm your transaction, and once your transaction is completed, you just have to simply wait for a few seconds. So it will reflect over here after quite some time. So as you can see, so you need to click on the home page, and here you will be able to see the top pairs, and you can even trade the pump.fun pairs and radium pairs, and they have also given you the option of moonshot pairs. Now in order to snipe the token, you need to click on the AI sniper, and here you will be able to see all of the snipers that you can basically activate. So here you can activate the sniper in 3 simple steps. You just have to simply select a sniper, and you need to enter your trade amount, and then you just have to activate the sniper. So you can either choose these pre-built snipers. Like if you want to choose this one, you just have to simply just hover over here, and it will show you whether the sniper that you are using has low risk or high risk like this, and it will also show you the liquidity that you need to have at least in order to activate this sniper. So let's say I want to activate this sniper, so you need to click on the activate sniper option, and here you just have to enter the amount of the total Solana that you want to invest. So here you can either click on the max option, or you can even enter your own amount. Then it will show you the buy amount per order. So the minimum is 0.01 sol, so you just have to make sure of that you have this much amount of Solana in your account at least. Then you just have to provide the stop loss and the trigger price in the percentage over here. If you want to enable expiry for this particular sniper, you can definitely do it with the help of these presets given over here. For the sake of priority fee, the Autosnipe AI will do the work for you, so you don't need to change anything over here. You just have to keep it as it is. Then you will have the option of exit and sell strategy. So here you just have to simply provide the presets if you want to, or you can even just keep them as it is. If you want to add one more exit, you just have to simply click over here. If you want to remove from the previous one, you just have to simply click on this cross option, and it will be removed from here. After filling all of these details, you just have to simply click on the activate now option, and then your sniper will be activated. Now if you want to view all of your entries and all of your activated snipers, you can click on the activated option, and in this section you will be able to see all of the activated snipers of yours. In case you want to deactivate any of these, you need to simply click on that, and you just have to simply click on the deactivate option. If you select the deactivated tab, in the deactivated tab you will be able to see all of the snipers that you have deactivated. In case you want to create your own sniper, you can even do that with the help of AutoSnipe AI. So you simply need to click on the create sniper option and give your sniper a name. Then you just have to simply choose the pair. It will give you the radium and the pump.fun pairs option, and for sniping purpose, moonshot pairs are not available. Next you will get the option of migrated from, so you can select any of these or you can uncheck any of these. It actually depends on your own choice. In the next step, you just have to provide all of these details, which are quite similar to the previous one that we have discussed. So you just have to simply provide these details, and for the sniping security checks you just have to enable all of these. So you just have to now press continue, and then you will be able to see all of your created snipers in this section. So you just have to simply click on the activate option and these will be activated. Now in case you want to individually purchase your favorite meme coins with the help of AI, you can also do that. So you just have to simply click on the pump.fun pairs, or you can even click on the top pairs. Now over here you will be given the option of hide drugs. So you just have to make sure that you enable this, because it will remove all of the meme coins that has the potential of a rug. Next you will get the option of instant buy. So if you want to purchase the token instantly, you can even enable this option. Afterwards it will give you the list of all of the meme coins based on the filters that you have enabled. So you can select any of the tokens in which you are interested. Afterwards, in order to buy the token, you need to simply enter the amount, and you can even use these presets and click on the buy tokens option. The best thing about AutoSnipe AI is that it will give you the data and the security option, and here it will show you whether this particular coin that you have selected is scam or not. So it will indicate that in the data and security option, so that you can avoid trading in that coin that has potential scams. So this is how you can snipe and trade Solana based meme coins with the help of AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.